So if you really wanted to save a few extra grams on this WLmouse Beast X, this is the medium version, and this is a video for you because I'm going to show you a few little mods that are going to later take some extra weight off this, a few little combinations. You can pick which ones work for you. So not sure, I'm Beardedbob, been gaming 35 years, go with 230 mice, well into gaming gear, love FPS shooters as well. So if you're into that kind of stuff, reviewing it, streaming it, checking out all the latest tech, then this is the channel for you. So let's see what we can do with a non-destructive weight mod on the Beast X. This is a medium one, weighs in at 39.6 stock, and we'll see what we can do. I put the feet back on. We'll leave the sticker off. We're going to definitely have to put the mains back in. Pretty tight. I think we'll probably get away with one screw, not two. I mean, there's not much we can leave out of it, to be fair. We'll go with the side buttons first. Maybe, I reckon we might get 3 grams tops out of it. Take the side buttons out, we might get a little bit more. We'll try them in first. So we'll put it in like this, and then we'll see what we can get, and then we'll take the side buttons out and feel the bits. Right, let's put some screws in. I don't think we need any screws on the rear. I'm just going to put them in the front. So 2 screws, basically. And then we're going to leave that off. Not saving much here. The only way you're going to save here is if you do a mouse mod, which, see, this is like the normal size JST, and this is all they use in the small one, which is always a bit of pain. So basically, I'm not going to cut my battery because I need it, but give you an idea of the weight. To 300, 150, but you'd have to cut the cable for the JST or find one with a smaller JST, which I don't have handy. Stock one. And then the modded one. Definitely get a few grams out. Obviously, you can lose some battery. Let's put the cable back in because we're going to pull it in and out so much. I don't like taking the cables off. Let's see what we get out of this. This is with the buttons. What do we reckon? I'm going to say 37.6. Oh, close. What if we take the side buttons off then, so people can see what they can do? Quite like side buttons. Well, I like to use them anyway, but not everybody does. So no side buttons. Obviously, you've got to change your connector on the battery, but it's got to be 35. I'm going 35 grams. Oh, nearly 36. 35, 36. Close.